So, hi Shailin, how are you all? I hope all you fine. So Shailin, say that before video we discussed about that concept 4. So in that concept 4, what they given ma? That is related to identities, algebraic identities. So that is related to perfect squares of that A and B. Okay, so A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, and in the same way we discussed that some conditional identities and so on, right? So here say that this is related to A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, that type of algebraic identities. Okay, so let us see that worksheet 4. The first question is here, if 9x square by 49, what is that? 9x square by 49 plus 30xy by 63 plus 25y square by 81. Okay, to make this one as a square, So children, first see the problem clearly. Here, in between each and every term, we are having here 3 terms. In between each and every term, we are having here positive signs. Yes or no? So that's why here, make this one as in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, anywhere negative signs there means we have to use we can write that identity in terms of negative sign. Okay, so in the same formula, so I want to write this one as a square. A square means 9x square. We can write this one as 3x by 7 whole square. Yes or no, ma? 3x by 7 whole square. Again 3 3 is 9x square by 7 square is 49. Okay, plus the last term here, that is 25y square. 25 is the square of, perfect square of, its square root is 5. Okay, 5y by, and 81 is the perfect square, so its square root is 9. So 5y by 9 whole square. Understand? Now we have that the first term and the last term. Now the middle term, that is 2 into, here this is in the form of a square. So here a is equal to 3x by 7 into, and the b is equal to 5y by 9. Completed. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is satisfying or not? 3 5 is 15, 15 2 is 30. So 30x into y, 30xy. Okay, and 9 7 is 63. So the middle term is satisfying or not? Okay, so that identity we can use here or not? Yes, we can use. So this is the identity related to a plus b whole square. Okay, so which is equals to, here a is equal to 3x by 7 plus b is equal to 5y by 9. So a plus b whole square. Understand? So the answer is here 3x by 7 plus 5y by 9. So which option is correct, ma? Yes, option C. See here 3x by 7 plus 5y by 9 whole square. Understand? So just you have to check that options carefully, ma. Here 3x by 7 is there, here 3x by 9 is there. So carefully you have to observe the options and you have to go for that answer. Understand? So here the answer is C. Okay. So let us see the next question. Yes. So here, if x minus 1 by x is equal to 8, then we need to find that x square plus 1 by x square value. Easy only, no? How? Just see that ma here, this type of questions what we have to do. So first we have to observe that what is the power of x here they given. The power of x, which means the degree of x is 1 only now here. Okay. And come to this one here, its power equals to 2, which means square. Okay. So here square is there means we have to go for that squaring on both sides. Okay. Sometimes here 3 will be there, x cube plus 1 by x cube. So the power is 3. At that time cubing on both sides. Okay. And sometimes we will get that power 4. At that time first we have to do that squaring on both sides. Again we have to go for that squaring on both sides. So here the power is 4 means we have to go for that 2 times of squaring on both sides. Okay. So but here only 1 time 2 is there, no? So that's why here squaring on both sides. We have to do that squaring on both sides. Okay, ma? So, x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 8 square. So, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into x into 1 by x, 2ab. Okay, which is equals to 8 is 64. So here x and x gets cancelled. So from this one, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 64 minus 2 become as plus 2, which is equals to 66. Understand? So here which option is correct, ma? Yes, option C is correct. Here see that x square plus 1 by x square value we need to find out. So finally we got the answer as 66. Am I clear to you? Yes. So next question number 3. And this is also same as that second question only, ma. See that? So again, here the question is 5x plus 1 by 6x, which is equals to 10. Okay. Now here they are asking to find the value of 25x square plus 1 by 36x square is equal to this value we need to find out. Clear? So here children, see that the square of 5 is 25. The square of 6 is 36. And in the same way here x power 1 is there, here x power 2 is there. So x power 2 means square we have to do. So that's why again squaring on both sides. We have to go for that squaring on both sides. So a plus b whole square. So a square 5x whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2 into 5x into 1 by 6x, 2ab is equal to 10 square means 100. Clear, ma? So from this one, 5x whole square which is 25x square plus 1 by 6 whole square means 36x square plus here 2 ones and 2 threes. So we can cancel x and x also. So that's why this is 5 by 3 which is equals to 100. Next, 25x square plus 1 by 36x square is equal to 100 minus 5 by 3. So 100 minus 5 by 3 means here 3 into 100 which is equals to 300 minus 5 whole by 3. Okay. So next, 300 minus 5 is equal to 295 whole by 3. Any cancellations possible, ma, here? 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 is not a multiple of 3. So that's why here cancellation not possible. Okay. So which option is correct, ma, here? 295 by 3. So option A is correct here. Am I clear to you? Yes. So option next one, see that. Question number 4. So what is that question number 4? What they given here? If x plus 1 by x is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. Okay, x plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. Then x minus 1 by x we need to find out. X minus 1 by x we need to find that. So children, see that here x plus 1 by x value they given. So we need to find that x minus. So we need to find that x minus 1 by x whole square. So this value we need to find out. Okay children. So first see that here x plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. So I want to find that squaring on both sides. Okay. Why means I will tell you that, see here. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab which is equals to 10 by 3 whole square means 100 by 9. Clear, ma? So from this one, x square plus 1 by x square, x and x gets cancelled. So plus 2 is equal to 100 by 9. So from this one, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 100 by 9 minus 2. Okay. So here 100 minus 2 into 9 is equal to 18 whole by 9. Okay. So here 100 minus 18 which is equals to 82 by 9. Any cancellations, ma? 9 8s 72, 9 9s 81, but here 82 is there. Okay, so cancellation not possible. So 82 by 9. That is the value of here x square plus 1 by x square value. Am I clear to you? Now come to this one. Here we need to find that x minus 1 by x whole square value we need to find out. Okay, so which is equals to a minus b whole square. a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear ma formula? So here x and x gets cancelled. So from this one, x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Okay. So from this one, x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to, here x square plus 1 by x square value already we got it here. Okay. So substitute this value there. So 82 by 9. 82 by 9 minus 2. So which is equals to 82 minus 18 by 9. Okay ma. So 82 minus 18 which is equals to here 64. Okay. So 64 by 9. Okay. So that is the value of here x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 64 by 9. Okay. Now here this one we can write it as 8 by 3 whole square. Shall we write like that? Why? Because options are given in the form of squares. Okay. So which option is correct ma? 8 by 3 whole square. Understand? So option B is correct here. Am I clear to you? So here fourth one answer is option B, 8 by 3 whole square. Next fifth question say here. Yes, this is also just like the previous one. So what they given here? If x minus 1 by x is equal to 15 by 4, then x plus 1 by x whole square, just the same as the previous question only. So first here we have to do that squaring on both sides. Okay. So here x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 15 by 4 whole square. Okay. So from this one, a square. So children, here I'll write the formula. See that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, those two formulas only up to now we are using. So here this is in the form of a minus b whole square. No. So that's why a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, which is equals to 15 square is 225. 4 square is 16. Clear? Yes. So x square plus 1 by x square, x and x gets cancelled, which is equals to 225 by 16. Minus 2 become as plus 2. Clear? So from this one, 225 plus 16 2s 32 by 16. So which is equals to 225 plus 32, which is equals to 257. Yes, see here, 257 by 16. Okay. So we are getting here 257 by 16. So this is the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 257 by 16. Okay. Now we need to find that. Now, which value we need to find ma? X plus 1 by x whole square value we need to find out. Okay. So here now, x plus 1 by x whole square we need to find out. So x plus 1 by x, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. So from this one, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 257 by 16. Plus x and x gets cancelled. So again plus 2. Which is equals to 257 plus 16 to 32 by 16. So 257 plus 32. So 289 by 16. So this is the value of, since x square plus 1 by x. Therefore, x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 289 by 16. So 289 is the perfect square. So its square root is 17 by 16 square root is 4. So 17 by 4 whole square. Okay, understand ma this one? So which option is correct? See here, 17 by 4 whole square. So option C is correct. 17 is 289, no? Okay, whole by 4 4 16. Am I clear to you? So this is that question number 5. Okay, so let us see that question number 6. Yes, see here. So 6 onwards, this is also very easy. See here, ma. What they given? If P is equal to 105 whole square plus 2 into 105 into 5 whole square. Okay, so once observe this one and Q value they given, then we need to find that P plus Q. So first to find that P value here. So P is equal to, this is in the form of, see here, this is in the form of, let A is equal to 105. So A square plus 2 into, last term I am writing. So here B, 5 square is B square. So A square plus B square plus 2, this is A and this is B. Understand, ma? Okay, when you compare these two, A square plus 2AB plus B square. Clear? So this is the algebraic identity of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. So in that term, A is equal to 105 plus B is equal to 5 whole square. Okay, so which is equals to 110 whole square. 110 whole square, that is the value of P. Therefore, P is equal to 110 square. Next Q. What they given for Q? 115 whole square minus 2 into 115 into 15 plus 15 whole square. Now compare this one with here 115 with A square minus the last term is 15 square. So the last term is B square and the middle one is 2 into A into B. Okay. So A square minus 2AB plus B square. So this is the algebraic identity of A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square. So here A is equal to 115 minus B is equal to 15 whole square. So which is equals to 100 whole square. 115 minus 15. So that is 100 and whole square. Clear? So this is the value of Q. Q is equal to 100 square. Understand? So now we have that P and Q values. What they are asking to find? To find that P plus Q value. Right? So P plus Q value we need to find out. So now P plus Q. So P is equal to, here we got that 110 square plus Q is equal to 100 square. So 110 square means here no need to multiply it. So directly here first 11 is there, no. So 11 square, 11 into 11, 121. Okay, and here how many zeros there, ma? 1 0 is there. At the time of square roots and square roots, cube roots, so that concept is there, no. So at that time we discussed about that squares of that zeros. Okay, so here one time of 0 is there means in that square we are having 2 zeros. For example, here 2 zeros there means in its square we are having 4 zeros. Okay, so double of the number of zeros we will get in that square. Okay, understand, ma? So here 1 0 is there means we will get that 2 zeros. Understand? Plus 100 square. So 1 square is 1 only. And here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. Now in square how many zeros will come? 4 zeros will come. So 10,000. Clear? Now we have to add these two. Okay. So 10,000 and here 12,000. So 22,100. So answer is 22,100. So which option is correct, ma? 22,100. So option C is correct here. Okay, children. So in this video, we discussed up to 6 questions. Okay. So in that next video, we will discuss that next continuation questions. Okay. Thank you all.